Hello everyone, I am Karan Rajpara, currently pursuing BTech in Information and Communication Technology Department at Marwadi University. So here I am with my project which is related to web scraping using Python. Web scraping means accessing the World Wide Web data. So in this project I have made three different modules where first module is related to Geolocation API and others two are related to Wikipedia. So let us run our project. First go to the command prompt, then we'll go for the project folder. So in this project there are three modules. First one is address information, which is related to geolocation API. Means whenever we enter any address, so it will fetch the data from the geolocation API and give us its formatted address, latitude and longitude. Let's take an example. Uh, Suppose I am entering Taj Mahal, Agra. So it is retrieving the data from the geolocation API, and it has retrieved its formatted address, latitude and longitude. Now I would like to give example where we can use this module. If someone is working on the project where he or she needs to find the minimum distance between two ports, so that ships have to travel minimum. So in that particular scenario, we have to find first of all latitude and longitude of that particular port, and then we can find the minimum distance between them in water. So this is the one of the example. There are other several applications too. Now let us talk about the second module, which is related to 2019-20 Premier League info. Whenever we will search on browser 2019-20 Premier League info, we will find this Wikipedia page. So by scrolling down, we will find this table where team, location, stadium, and its capacity is mentioned. So in this module, I am fetching this data into the command prompt. Let us see it. So it is retrieving the data from Wikipedia, and it has retrieved the data, team, location, stadium, and its capacity. So the second module is related to Wikipedia. Now talking about third module, which is live case count of COVID-19 in India. So again in browser, whenever we will search the COVID-19 pandemic in India, we'll find this Wikipedia page. By scrolling down, we'll find this table where different states of India are mentioned, and its cases, deaths, recoveries, and active cases are mentioned. And this information is provided by Union Health Ministry. So in this particular project, I am in this particular module, I am fetching this data, and it is the live case count. Because whenever we will run this file, it will fetch data directly from the Wikipedia. So we can say that it is the live case count. Let us see on the command prompt. It is retrieving the data from the Wikipedia, and it has successfully retrieved the states, total cases, deaths, recoveries, and active cases. So this is the third module of my project. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you very much.